Continuing from where we've left in the previous video, we are now going to create a new variable called attachments. By default, it will be set to null, and now we check if is an empty post files, then attachments equals files. After this, if we scroll up a little bit, we check if object valid is valid, and we pass in the array parameter to validate it. Now object email equals new email, object email set from array email array full name. We're basically populating, we are passing the email address and the full name of the person who submitted the form. Now if we copy this, I'm going to close this browser to see the lines a little bit better. Set from, then we go for add reply to, and that's going to be array email and array full name as well. We could leave it because it's going to be default reply to address, but let's strictly define it this way so that you know basically later on if you need to specify any different email address, obviously, and name associated with the reply to field, then you can then you know where to do it straight away. Set to, and it's going to be our constant email to and name to. Then we go for the set subject. And the subject for this one, it's entirely up to you what you're going to put here. I'm going to put inquiry from our website. And then we go for the body. Set body, and the body will be object email parse one array. Basically what it does, it's going to populate the email template, which is one.php, from inside of the emails template folder, and passes the array with all the parameters to fill in the necessary variables inside of the template. We haven't created the emails template yet. We will once we are done with this file. It's going to be pretty straightforward, so shouldn't take long. But anyway, so that's our set body. Now we're going for files to remove equals array. We're basically are going to collect all of the files from the attachment ones attached to the email, so that we know that we've sent email. Once we've sent email, we know which files to remove. And now we check if is an empty attachments, and we go for each loop. I'm going to copy the name of the variable for each attachments as item. First of all, we need to rename it, so rename, and we go for upload underscore path dot ds dot item new name, and our file extension appended to each uploaded file. This is semicolon here, and then the same path, this time without obviously this appended extension, so we removing this appended extension there. So once the file is renamed, we go for object email, add attachment, and we go for upload path item new name, and go item old name to be basically, so we renaming the file while we are uploading as well, so that obviously the file is going to be sent with the old name rather than the new one. And once we've done all this, we use this files to remove array. We add the new, basically the file name to this array so that we know which file to remove once the email has been processed. So that's our attachments. Let's move to the next video and continue with this file.